Good morning. I'm Lluis Montoliu, the president of the CSIC Ethics Committee, and I'm delighted to join you this morning in this workshop on the human resources strategy for researchers to report on the new CSIC Code of Good Scientific Practices that we have just released. This is 10 years after the first code was published in 2011. We have also released an infography, normally at the moment only in Spanish, with the headlines and the most important points and a QR code for all researchers to download directly the code for whatever they are. So the contents of this code review all aspects of the scientific activity. So let's have a look quickly on the different aspects that we have included in this new and updated code. At the beginning, the purpose and the scope of this code is to guide the scientific activity to ensure the quality of the CSIC research while preventing inappropriate practice. This is applicable to all temporary or permanent research staff, and then we are promoting research integrity, which is the observance and promotion of the highest professional standards. The responsible conduct of research has these following founding values, among others: honesty, transparency, professional commitment, accountability, objectivity, impartiality, independence, reliability, diligence, respect and recognition of the work of others. Regarding the different activities associated with research, we need to remind that all activity raising ethical concerns must receive a favorable evaluation by our committee prior commencement. Then we need to take care that researchers know and apply optimal design and methodology, optimal research management, and comply with all the different laws affecting research with human subjects, animal research, safety, health, and environmental protection. Regarding evaluation tasks, this needs to be done rigorously with confidentiality, impartiality, objectivity, independence, qualification, diligence, and avoiding, of course, the conflicts of interest. Regarding the training and supervision, the exercise of leadership, there are obligations for both the research director, the mentor or supervisor, and as well for the research trainees. Then we also define the different aspects that need to regulate the collaborations in the research groups, as well as external collaborations, contract research, and consulting activities. Regarding the management and protection of results, then we have to promote and foster proper management of them. Regarding dissemination of the results, we have to remind researchers have a moral duty to publish the research results in an open interpretation, transparent, honestly, with precision and accuracy, without excluding negative results and giving the due credit. We are accountable, we are responsible, and then we need to define when authorship is deserved regarding having participated in the conception, design, proposal, acquisition of data, conducting experiments, analysis, interpretation, discussion, or writing up of the manuscripts. Another important aspect in this new version of the code is the relation with the communication media, with the mass media. We should not jeopardize the image or credibility of the CSIC, and we need to take into account that our personal opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the CSIC. We need to provide information to media that are proven, verified, updated, and contextualized. We should not assume institutional representation unless given, and we have always to declare any conflict or interest according to the manual we published in 2015. We have also a part that is taking care of the violations of research integrity, mainly fabrication, falsification, and plagiarism of data, as well as another list of unacceptable practices. And our committee is the institutional body that has the specific competence in matters of research integrity. Finally, we have an institutional commitment in which the CSIC is recognized to pursue excellence and is committed to open science, sharing of data, and publication in open access journals, as well as promoting and fostering integrity, honesty, training activities, equal opportunities, inclusion of gender perspective, progression towards achieving full equality, and adopting measures to protect staff from occupational and sexual harassment, as well as facilitating the work of its research staff. Last but not least, I would like to acknowledge and thank the contributions of all the members of the current CSIC Ethics Committee that have been preparing this current and updated code, as well as the previous committee led by Miguel García Guerreros, who initiate this new code. Thank you.